So welcome to part one of a 2-video compilation that will be uploaded onto my channel. So this is me pouring out the botanical heads that I make. So basically what this is, it's a swiped background with a monochromatic color scheme. I'm going to swipe over a black color, then I'm going to blow out some tiny little blooms to make like a botanical flower head. And then you're going to have to join me back in the next video after this one to see actually how I embellish it. And the reason that I split this into 2 separate videos is some people don't really care about the embellishing process. Some people like both videos. But this way it gives you an opportunity to actually see the swipe and the blowout, especially if you're just looking for some inspiration on a color scheme to blow out little blooms on your own. And then other people want to see the video in a little bit more detail of how I actually embellish these. And also in the second video, when I'm actually done, we'll go through the entire thing that I created, how I created it, and my process. And yeah, that's pretty much how this is gonna go. Anyway, my name is Tiffany Remijn. Welcome to my channel. I hope you enjoy this. Sit back and relax.
I feel good, yeah. I feel good when I'm with you, darling. Just like I should, yeah. I feel good when I'm with you, darling. It's crazy how things change, yeah. I feel good when I'm with you, darling. So won't you stay, yeah. I feel good when I'm with you, darling. I can't stay away, stay away. I can't help but feeling this is meant to be. I can't stay away, stay away. I just keep on moving till you're next to me. I feel good. You got a key to my heart. It's always open. I feel good. 'Cause in my heart I know it's you that I've chosen. Yeah. I feel good. You got a key to my heart. It's always open. Yeah. 'Cause in my heart I know it's you that I've chosen. I feel good when I'm with you, darling. Didn't think I could. Now feels so good when I'm with you, darling. Now I can't stay away, stay away. I can't help but feeling this is meant to be. Oh, I can't stay away, stay away. I just keep on moving till you're next to me. You got a key to my heart. It's always open. I can't believe that you came into my life. You made me feel again. Now it's my turn. You say you've always been a little bit shy, but I can put an end to your fears. Let me show you a place where you gon' wanna move your feet until they start to bleed. DJ, take it away. Tonight is all for you and me. So baby, spin and let the music begin. I know you feel it within. So go ahead and just spin for me. Won't you spin? Don't let the doubt in you win.
this is the end of the pouring of the botanical head and blowing out the little blooms. I'm going to show you some up close pictures of the wet result just so that you can see the flowers a little bit up close, in case this is the only reason why you're here, is just to see the little blooms. But I hope you'll join me back in the next video when I actually embellish this one. And just in case you don't want to wait to see the embellishment, here's a couple of videos that I've prepared for you that you can just watch my embellishment process as like a prelude of what's to come for this one. Thanks again. Ciao for now.